Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi 12, and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this phone. So to get started, pull down your toggles from the right side, top right side, extend it and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be right over here. Now this is the default location, so hopefully you can find it in the same place. But once you locate it, you can hold it. This will take you to the settings where you can customize how the video recording actually records. Now there's a couple things that I might recommend changing. Only like two of those. Number one, frame rate. If you're planning to record gameplays, change it to 60. If you're planning to record just some like information like I am, change it to 30. But still, I'll change it to 60 just because. The reason for this is 60 will look much smoother and more appealing when it comes down to gameplays, and informative isn't as important, and the more frame rate you are recording at, the more storage at the same length will take on your device. So it's not the best idea just to crank it up to the max just because you can. Same goes for video quality. It's set to 16. I would probably change it to 24. This is like the, I would say, sweet spot. Anything past that basically gives you diminished returns, so it will take more space on your device for the same amount of for the same length of the recording, but I don't think you can see any kind of difference in the recording. So again, there's no reason to basically crank it up to 100 megabits per second, just because you won't really see any kind of difference between, for instance, 50 or 32. So there's virtually zero visual difference between those, but there will be a significant increase in size. And that's basically all I would recommend changing. Resolution is already set to high, so that's good, and fixed frame rate is already checked on, so we're gonna be having a steady frame rate. Additionally, if you look at frame rate, we do have 90. Honestly, this is the most stupidest inclusion right here. Either give 120 or don't bother, because the phone itself has 120. So if I'm planning to view my screen recording on this phone, I can utilize 120. Why would I utilize this 90? It's just like so random. And if you're planning to upload this footage to YouTube, again, 90 makes no difference because YouTube only takes 60. If you upload at 90, it will compress it down to 60 frames anyway. And the footage that you will capture will obviously take more space just because it's recorded instead of 60 at 90 frames. So you have like 30% more? Actually, no. Yeah, about 30. So yeah, not much incentive to go for a 90. 120 I would understand if you're planning to play it back on here, but 90 is just kind of like whatever. So anyway, once you went through the settings and customized them to your liking, let's close this and get back to our toggle. What just happened? So let's get back to our toggle and select the red button right here, which will start the recording. Now I have also a couple other ones. A folder which will take us to the video recordings, or you can also do that by going into the gallery, so this is kind of useless. Settings, which again, kind of useless because you can access them by holding the toggle and close option along with record option. So let's select record, and there we go. It is now recording our screen. Now once you're done with it, you can interact with the overlay. Click on the square. This will stop the recording, and it should automatically be saved to our, there we go, gallery. So we can find it in just like the photos where everything is just combined. So screenshot, photos, recordings, videos and stuff like that. But you can also navigate to albums, and it will be neatly organized into videos. And you can find it right here. Select allow, and it's now playing back. So there we go. That is our video recording. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.